I have a number of references here. The Visual Studio Performance Testing Quick Reference Guide is a huge document available on Codeplex that has a ton of tips for doing load testing with Visual Studio, so I highly recommend you check that out. And there's some other good links here as well. So to summarize, your larger load tests are going to need to run on multiple dedicated machines for you to get the best results. Even just 2 machines may not be enough, as you saw in my example here. You probably want a minimum of 1 server for the web, another server for the database, another server for your controller and for you to run the tests from, and then 1 or more agents to actually run the load. Now you can still do everything on your machine on a single box if you're just trying to find some bottlenecks real quick, but for something to simulate real-world load numbers, you're going to want real-world hardware. You can also set up distributed load tests using a dedicated controller and 1 or more agent machines. I showed how to do that today. It's not terribly complicated, but it does require a bit of setup. And then lastly, your load tests can be customized by using load test plugins. And if you want to find out more, I again recommend that quick reference guide. It's several hundred pages of tips and tricks that you want to check out there. So with that, thank you very much. This has been a Pluralsight on-demand module for Visual Studio load testing beyond the basics. My name is Steve Smith. You can find me online on my blog or Twitter shown here, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks.